of me, well, a lot of me. Welcome on a Sunday, not usual for me, but there we go. Oh, look, can you see my sunflowers? I love them, IKEA, and my little sunflower work, inspiration board. And then that's my other inspiration. I must hang something on that hook there. Anyway, not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you about sale-a-bration. So every year, between the beginning of January, normally about the 3rd, which is what it was this year, and the end of March, Stampin' Up! Do an amazing promotion called sale-a-bration, which means that there are specials, whether you shop, host, or join. And I specifically want to just remind you about the shopping option, which is for every £45 you spend in my online store, you get to choose a level 1, which they are denoted by this rich raspberry, I think it's rich raspberry icon. So like the Gangs All Mere is a level 1 item. Or if you spend £90 in one order in my online store, and this is before P&P, then you get the level 2 items as a choice, or you can have 2 level 1 items. So a level 2 item would be, for example, the lily pad dies. A level 1 item would be the lily pad stamp set. So you can actually, this is like a free suite because you get the stamps, the dies, and then I think it's just over the page, it is, you get the amazing designer series paper. So it's like a mini suite, which is fantastic. And you can also add in, because I think they are the same colours. They are. You can then go and add in sequins and twine. So amazing. So that's the spend offer, the shop offer. Right at the back, hidden away, and I don't think people are seeing it because it's an amazing offer, is the joining offer. The usual joining offer in the UK is that you spend £99, and that includes postage and packing. But instead of getting £99 of product, you get 130. And if you are in France, Germany, Austria, or the Netherlands, then it's 129 euros you spend, and you get 175 euros of product. It is just amazing. But during sale-a-bration, it's even better. So this year, you get free a pack of designer series paper, sort of sample pack, 6x6, you get 48 sheets, and it's a sample of a variety of the designer series papers in the mini catalogue. And I think I want to say you also get the lily pad papers. You do, you get a sample of the lily pad papers as well. So it's amazing. They're different pattern front and back to the same version in the mini. So in the mini, if you had this pattern, it wouldn't have this on the back, it would have one of the others. So it's slightly different. But you also get free this cute mini trimmer, which is perfect for using with 6x6 papers, trimming off sentiments. So if you stamped a sentiment, you want to trim it down to the right size, you can use this. It's just amazing. And it's, it's a guillotine, so it's self-sharpening. Just be careful that you don't cut your fingers. But the other thing you get for free during sale-a-bration is any stamp set you want that isn't a host stamp set or a sale-a-bration stamp set. So any other stamp set from either the annual or the mini catalogue you can get. So I've done some maths. Say you were in love with one of the suites. So if we start at the front of the catalogue with the Heart Suite, or from my Heart Suite, this is, and you can use just one item code because we now have the item code for the whole suite. So not just bundled stamps and punches or dies, you can do a bundle of the whole suite. It's as if you were putting in the individual numbers, and you get the 10% off for the bundle, but you only have to put in one number, which is really great. So if you were to get all of this, it would cost £81.75. So you can put that in your starter kit. You could then add, because you'd have £48.25p left, 2 ink pads, so the Real Red and the Flirty Flamingo if you didn't have them, 2 packs of coloured cardstock, so you could either go for the Regals and the Brights if you wanted to have a selection, or you could go Real Red, Flirty Flamingo. Put your mini glue dots in, perfect for putting on the faceted gems. Some dimensionals and a D block. Now the D block is that one that is great for everything. It's the kind of universal block size. And you still have £1 left. And you would still be able to add a free stamp set. Amazing! And you would get the trimmer and the papers as well, all for just 99p, delivered straight to your door by the lovely UPS. Okay, so maybe hearts aren't your thing. Maybe that's just, just not you. So let's have a look at the Parisian Blossoms. So this suite is £123.25. So you could put all of this, 2 bundles, the specialty paper, an embossing folder, the lovely rhinestones and the petal pink ribbon. All of that could go into your starter kit and you would still have £6.75 to spend. But you could, of course, take out one of the stamp sets and have that as your free stamp set. Now, I haven't done the maths on the Parisian, but I have on the next one. So, the Peaceful Poppies suite, which is gorgeous. And again, has 2 stamp set bundles, here and here. The designer series paper, sequins, this ribbon, which you can colour with all sorts of things, and the elements. But if you, so you could put that just straight into your starter kit and you would still have £2.50 left to spend. But take out the painted poppies, which is the more expensive of the 2 stamp sets. So take this stamp set out. You would then pay full price for the dies, but that's fine. You could then put this in as your free stamp set and you would get £18 left to spend on anything else you wanted. Poppies not your thing? That's fine. I've done the maths on the Tropical Oasis suite, which is this one. Now, there is a slight difference with this because there is still the bundle. You can still do the bundle, but you can't because at the moment there is an issue getting the stays on ink. So you would have to put the individual bits in. So the Tropical suite without stays on is £98.75. So that would give you £31.25 left to spend. Take out the stamp set and instead of £31 left to spend, you would have £46.75 left to spend. Put your stamps in as the free stamp set and you're golden. So yeah, so that's that one. Maybe you have got a golfing fanatic in your family, so we can go country club, or you do lots of masculine projects. So again, bundle, £72.25, gives you £57.75 left to spend. Take the stamps out, put the dies back in as a separate item, and you would have £71.25 left to spend. You could get the inks, you could get the card, you could get other embellishments, you can get adhesive, all sorts, because you've still got £71.25 to spend. But there is also the Best Dressed suite. So if you've got lots of girlfriends and you like this sort of very feminine look and you're into, your perfumes, your handbags, that sort of thing, then put the whole bundle into your starter kit and you've still got £53.75 to spend. Take out the stamp set, put the dies back in, and you'd instead have £65.75, 65.75 left to spend. It's amazing! All for taking out the stamp set from the suite and having that as your free stamp set. But of course you can put anything you want into your starter kit. It's your starter kit. So if you want a bundle from the and your catalogue, that's fine too. I'm just giving you some examples of how, if you wanted a whole suite, you could get that whole suite. A lot of people have been really worried about how do I work out what I put into my starter kit? Well, going down the suite line is a really easy option. So why would I suggest that you join? Well, A, it's an amazing deal. B, that's all you actually have to do. You never have to spend another penny with Stamping Up ever again if you don't want to. But frankly, until the end of June, definitely till the end of June, and you can add on the end of go through to the end of July if you need to, you can get 20% off anything you buy from Stamping Up. Anything. And we've got a new catalogue coming in June, which you would be able to order some items from in May. So, whoa. In the UK, it works out that you have to spend, as if you were buying from the catalogue, £275 of product, but you get 20% off. So it's not actually that much. And you can spend it when you want. You've got that whole 6 months effectively to spend on whatever you want out of this catalogue, and you get 20% off. You can also start it as a little business. So if you've got friends and family and neighbours who you think would enjoy crafting, have a little party and see if they would like to buy some items from you. There are all-inclusive kits, perfect for new stampers. So we've got in the catalogue in the spring summer, we've got this set, which is an all-inclusive. It's £25. That includes an ink pad, a mini ink pad, all the printed card bases, dimensionals, I think. Yes. I think there's dimensionals in there. There's definitely glue dots. There are little copper sequins, all sorts, and a stamp set, which obviously you can use for other things. So, and a block. So it's literally all inclusive. Or you could hold a party where you add some extra items. So you would add these items and your guests could use this kit to make these cards. And you just bring along the extra stamp set, which is this stamp set, the 2 ink pads, Pretty Peacock and Terracotta Tile, snail adhesive and dimensionals, and then you can have your friends make this. Of course, if you are an avid crafter, there's this kit as well, which is one of our product medleys. So you could put, you've got dies, you've got a stamp set. This is, let me see, this is £65. You could get this and the Best Dressed suite in your starter kit. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. So anyway, I thought I would just tell you about that. If you're one of these people who makes cards to sell, that's fine. Stamping Up have an angel policy, which just says you have to put on the back that it's Stamping Up images, but you can sell as much as you want of made products, so made up cards. You can't sell stamped images on die cuts. That's the only thing you can't do, so you can't sell those bits. But you make cards, make boxes, make home decor, all those sorts of things. Those you can sell as finished items, and all you have to do is declare that it's Stamping Up product. It's amazing, and you get 20% off. And depending on how well you do with either buying lots or selling, that will increase to 25% and can increase even more depending on exactly how you sell. But you don't have to. If you just want to join to get the discount, to have a group of crafty friends ready-made for you, then that's a great reason to join. So I've got most of my team are what I would call hobby demos, i.e. they are their own customer and that's it. They don't sell to anybody else. And they are amazing. They are really supportive. They have a great time together. They've made some wonderful friendships that they wouldn't have made had they not joined Stamping Up and found other people who are the same, that understand this mad world that is stamps, ink and paper. So if you are still on the fence about joining or not, have a go. There is no penalty if you decide it's not right for you. You get to keep your starter kit. Anything else you've purchased along the way, you get to keep. So if you want to just stop, that's fine. No one will have a go at you. No one will tell you you can't do it. That's fine. You can give it a go, put your toe in the water. It's a taster kit, if you like. So I hope that has helped. I would love to welcome you to my team. If you're in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, or the Netherlands, then I would be thrilled to join you, to have you join my lovely sparkling sunflower team. We are spread throughout the UK. We're in Europe. It would be just amazing. So thank you very much indeed. I know this has been quite a long chat, but give it a go. You've nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thank you very much indeed. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to welcome you to the team very soon.